In front of me is Honor 200, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on and use voice typing. Begin by launching your keyboard and clicking on this icon at the top left corner. Then you can tap on the microphone right away and start typing. As you can see, voice typing is on. If you want to stop, you need to click on this button with a microphone and start again the same way, or you can simply stop talking. To go back to standard keyboard, click on this arrow at the top right corner. If you want to, you can also click on those three dots instead of a microphone. Select Settings, tap on Reach Input and click on this switcher next to voice typing to activate it. Then go back to your keyboard and click on this microphone at the bottom right corner. Then use it the same way. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!